Now, there are different kinds of persons, aren't there, in the world? Not everyone is a student. We are all a person, but like Mr. Reisky's not a student. I don't go to college. I don't go to high school. I can make another class called employee. Okay. I could make an employee class. Is an employee a student? Well, it might be. Some employees go to class. Is a student an employee? They might be, but not necessarily. But a student is a person, and an employee is also a person. This is a relationship is very important in the Barron's Guide in programming and even on the AP exam. Okay, this is a relationship. So we signify in code the is a relationship by saying extends. If I say employee extends person, that means an employee is a person, which is true, of course. Okay. So over in my tester, I can now make employee objects, and they will also be Susie Apache. That didn't make much sense to make it our high school's mascot, but employee E1, new employee. And because employee extends person, it's going to work. I'll now see two Susie Apaches on the screen. Okay. Let's add a little bit more to these classes. Think about the difference of a student and an employee. What kind of things will a student have that every person won't have? Homework. It could be a Boolean value, right? Boolean has homework. Okay. Be a private. Boolean has homework. So if that student has homework tonight, it'd be true, else it'd be false. Other things like private, double GPA, maybe. Private, int, grade level, sophomore, junior, senior. Okay. And the employee. What's peculiar to an employee? Maybe they make money, right? So how would you say that? Salary? Salary? Yeah, salary or wages or wage. We can go private, double, salary. Okay, we'll write these constructors and call it a day. Okay. So let's keep the student class as simple as possible to get done quickly here, just to demonstrate anyway. I'm just going to make one private field grade level. Okay. I'll make one field grade level. That's it. So when I make a student object, I may want to give it a grade level. I can go student S2 equals new student, and we'll make this student a junior. Okay. Remember quizzes like this back in November where I give you the tester and I'd show you calls to the constructor and you'd have to write constructors based on this. Boy, it's been 2 months since those almost. So over here in the student class, I need to write a constructor that this line of code in the tester is calling, the one that gets an int. Public student, I'll just put int G for grade level. And grade level equals G. Now again, not all people are in school, not all people are students, not all people have grade levels. So I wouldn't put this grade level variable in the person class because employees don't have grade levels. So you might want to also put maybe a get grade level, right? Public int get grade level. That compiles. How about the tester? What? What's happening here? This worked before, right? Before I made my S2 object and made this constructor, this used to work. What happened? Well, if we do not include a constructor, Java gives us the default constructor. But what have I done here? I have made a constructor. I've included a constructor. So now no longer do I get the free one. Now I got to put it in there. It's nothing, doesn't do anything, but we got to put it in there. That's an old November topic also. Does our tester compile? Yep, BlueJay's happy now. Let's run the tester. We got to do some output, don't we? Let's go out.println grade level, I guess. S2.grade level. Oh, get grade level, right? Get grade level. And there's my 11, so it's working. Okay, there's a heck of a lot in this chapter. This is not even the end of page 1 yet. So stay with me each day. This with a lot of review of November, except for this crazy extends keyword. Okay? When a class extends another, it gets to use that class's public methods.